To keep your delicate clothes fresh and free from damage, hand washing is a gentle and effective method. Start by checking the care labels as they provide essential cleaning instructions. Avoid hand washing garments labeled dry clean only. Sort your laundry by color, washing lighter fabrics first to prevent color bleeding. Pre-treat stains with a mild stain remover and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before washing. Use a mild detergent in cool or lukewarm water and gently stir the clothes without scrubbing to avoid damage. Soak items for at least 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly to remove all detergent. Gently squeeze out excess water without twisting and dry delicate items flat to maintain their shape, using a well-ventilated drying area. Always refer to care tags to ensure proper handling and avoid using a dryer unless it's explicitly permitted.